Hello viewers, in the Flyenv we have to set up your phpMyAdmin. So you have to go the MySQL. So comes the MySQL here. Everything is showing. The column here is not showing your phpMyAdmin. Click the service. Here is service is marked. So you need to set up here manage. So here you need to set up the phpMyAdmin. Click. When a phpMyAdmin click, automatically set up this. So when you as a new, this is not showing you, so you need to set up the in the go to the host and create a project, add a project as a phpMyAdmin.test. Also set up the root and create the root path as a phpMyAdmin single, just phpMyAdmin, just a path. So this path automatically set up when I hit, so it's going to phpMyAdmin command, the phpMyAdmin Flyenv we created, so automatically created for this. So now showing you automatically phpMyAdmin. This is the simple process. So when you go to the std, so this is my username. Also I am putting the password sim for local development. So this is the, so when you click the study, so showing is everything is here. So best of luck. So this is the simple way to get the phpMyAdmin in Flyenv. Thank you.